Now let's connect as the for principal stack interface segregation principle. So clients should not be forced to depend on interface they do not use. This means creating specific interface for different clients to avoid implementing unnecessary method. Now let's go through my example. So here invalid. So here I create an interface. The interface I call place, and here have two method. So you can see school and the hospital. Now we have doctor. So the doctor implement the place. So we know the doctor needs to go to hospital, right? So the school is not uh, applicable, right? Now go to student. Actually, here I need to 1 second. It should be teacher. Let me refactor. So here I need to implement this place. Now you can see here. So we know teacher needs to go to needs to go to school, right? It doesn't it's not necessary go to the hospital. So here you can see it's not applicable, right? So you can see here in the definition say clients should not first to depend on the interface they do not use. So we know the teacher do not go to the hospital and the doctor do not to the, go to the school, right? So it's not. So we break the definition, right? So now how to handle this one? So we can create the separate interface to handle it. So we need to take out this one and put it in a different interface. So here I create this example here. So we create a hospital. So hospital have the place, the school has the place, and then the doctor just implement hospital. We know a doctor need to go to hospital, right? So here, sometimes we need to provide a proper method, right? Proper responsibility. The teacher also do the same thing here. Now let's go to next last one, the principle, the dependency inversion principle. The high-level models should not depend on low-level models. The both should depend on abstractions. Additionally, abstractions should not depend on details, but details should depend on abstractions. This decouples software components, making them easier to modify and test. Now let's quickly see the example. Now I create here. You can see here's mall. So we know we need to go to mall. We can buy some product, right? So they provide a different payment we can use to pay the product. So here we can use the cash. Also we can use the PayPal. Also we can use the debit card, right, or credit card. We have different way to pay the product. So here I just create two payment. Actually, here we can provide more, but I don't want to do. They will take much time on here, but which is not necessary. So that's why I just provide two example here. So you can see maybe you are the customer, you want to use the cash to buy the product, right? So you can see here. So it's from the cash, right? But sometimes maybe sometimes you want to use the cash, but sometimes you want to use the PayPal, right? More, which is more efficient. So and here we need to change it here, right? Change PayPal, and we need to provide here, and the PayPal put here, and let's see what happened here. You can see it's from the PayPal, but sometimes because we have different requests from different customer, right? So we cannot, because the different customer we're changing the different payment, right? It's not efficient, right? Because we need to predicate the payment, right? So how? So here we can create an interface. The interface provide payment, and this and the different case need to implement the pay type. Yeah. Now now you can see here, and now here we can add a logic here, and for PayPal, so we need to implement pay type. Now we remove this one. I can see here. Now go back more. So I'm not here. You can just print just system out here. We can print it out here, something here, and then let's go to more. Now here we just add a pay type. Pay type. And here you can find the cash in the pay TYP pay type. So now we can use this way to achieve the previous example, but here's more efficient, right? Which is we can receive, because we can receive maybe you want to use the cash. Okay, we just create this object. Maybe you want to create if you want to use the PayPal, so okay, you just use the PayPal, right? We just create a different object. So which one? I'm not sure. Do you know the factory design pattern? It's similar like this one, which also customer can pick up can choose the instance. Maybe you want to use this instance. We can create a cash object for you, or you want to use the debit card, and then we just create a debit card object for you. So from my understanding, it's similar like the factory design pattern. I'm not sure. Do you aware of factory design pattern? If you are interested in this part, so you can Google search that, or in the future maybe I can create a video for you. Yeah, thank you for watching the video.